The Crispin team of Keller Williams Realty Branson, Missouri would like to present to you this property. For more information call 417-335-3109. Attention investors and flippers. This home sits on 1.74 levels acres. Home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, large living room with fireplace, spacious kitchen, additional breezeway room complete with butane heater, full laundry, 384 square feet utility building and 1-car garage. This will be an inside sight unseen purchase at the time being. Sold as is. Ask your realtor for additional information. Will not go government financing. Do not approach property without your realtor.